Hey there, smart buyers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel where we help you spend your hard-earned cash wisely. Today, we've got an aerial showdown between two high-flying contenders, the Bwine F7GPS Drone and the Potensic ATOM 3-axis Gimbal 4K GPS Drone. It's a drone duel like no other, and we're here to help you decide which one deserves a spot in your tech arsenal. Let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about the price. Bwine F7 GPS Drone comes in at a cool $501. Meanwhile, the Potensic ATOM is a bit lighter on the wallet at $449. So if you're looking to save a few bucks for that extra guac at Chipotle, Potensic might already be winning your heart. Now onto the cameras. The Bwine boasts a 4K camera with a 3-axis gimbal, a 90 degrees adjustable lens, and a 120 degrees FOV lens. Perfect for capturing those epic sunsets or your neighbor's poorly maintained backyard. On the other side, Potensic ATOM also flaunts a 4K camera with a 3-axis gimbal. It's like having a mini Spielberg in your hands. Both drones promise smooth and steady footage, but Potensic might just edge out with its cinematic flair. Reviewers of the Bwine drone praise its video quality, while Potensic users highlight its excellent picture and video stability. Flight time is where the real endurance test begins. Bwine offers a total of 50 minutes with its 2 batteries, while Potensic comes with a whopping 96 minutes across 3 batteries. That's nearly double the airtime. Potensic clearly didn't come to play. It's here to stay in the sky longer than your ex's text messages. Reviewers love the Potensic's battery life, making it a top choice for longer flights. When it comes to facing the elements, Bwine stands tall with level 6 wind resistance. It's like the Hulk of drones. Potensic, on the other hand, handles level 5 winds. Not too shabby, but it might waver a bit in a gale. Plus, Potensic's lightweight design under 249 grams means no FAA registration. It's the sneaky ninja of the drone world, ready to fly under the radar. Reviewers of the Bwine drone appreciate its sturdy build, while Potensic users enjoy its lightweight and convenience. Transmission range is another battleground. Bwine extends up to 10,000 feet, which is pretty impressive. But Potensic flexes its muscles with a max range of 20,000 feet. That's like sending your drone to Narnia and back. Perfect for those who want to explore the unknown, or just spy on their neighbors from a safe distance. Reviewers are particularly impressed with Potensic's range and flexibility. Both drones come with a suite of GPS features like auto return, follow me, and waypoints. Bwine ensures you never lose your drone with its GPS auto return, while Potensic ups the ante with visual tracking and quick shots like pull away and boomerang. It's like having a personal assistant and a movie director rolled into one. And Potensic's beginner-friendly design makes it easy for anyone to become a drone pilot, even your tech-illiterate uncle. Reviewers find Bwine user-friendly, while Potensic is praised for its advanced features and ease of use. Last but not least, customer support. Bwine prides itself on quick resolution of issues, always ready to keep customers happy. Potensic, meanwhile, is constantly improving with firmware updates. It's like having a drone that gets smarter over time, kind of like you after watching our videos. Reviewers appreciate Bwine's responsive support and Potensic's ongoing updates. Both drones have received positive feedback from users. Bwine F7 GPS is praised for its video quality, sturdy build, and user-friendly setup. Potensic ATOM, on the other hand, is celebrated for its extended flight time, cinematic camera capabilities, and extensive range. While Bwine is seen as reliable and supportive, Potensic stands out for its advanced features and continuous improvements. So there you have it, smart buyers, the Bwine F7GPS Drone and the Potensic ATOM 3-axis Gimbal 4K GPS Drone going head-to-head in the ultimate drone duel. Whether you choose the sturdy, wind-resistant Bwine or the feature-packed, long-lasting Potensic, you really can't go wrong. Let us know in the comments which drone you're leaning towards and why. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more smart buying tips. Until next time, fly high and buy smart. Product links are in the description.